Eccles. This is Jonathan. We're with Kickserv. We've been on the Intuit platform here for several years, actually since 2009, integrating with the old QuickBooks Online, and we just upgraded here about, I'd say about 2 months ago. So one of the things we looked at is a problem with the whole service industry. We're a field service management application that helps the plumber, the electrician, the carpet cleaner be able to help him manage his business, get those completed invoices over to QuickBooks. We have an excellent two-way sync with QuickBooks Online that we've been really happy with. But one thing that we saw as a real major pain point is a lot of these business owners are stuck with paperwork. And they for sure have to have everything in QuickBooks because their accountant says, hey, you need to give us all your data. So they're forced with keeping track of Post-it notes and keeping track of Excel spreadsheets or their schedule in Google Calendar, getting it into QuickBooks. And whenever they go to the App Store, they go, okay, I know I need to find something. I know I need to actually get a program. And they'll go in and they'll sign up, and it's an actual very painful process. I don't know if you guys have gone in there and started that, but to get an account started, you actually have a lot of information, your contacts, you have your estimates, you have your invoices, you have your employees, your taxes. There's so much information that you have to get into this new program, and you are lost. So what we wanted to do at this hackathon is actually solve that problem. We wanted to make a very simple one-step process to set up your account with us. So I actually want to go into the solution that we did. So once you're on in your apps from the QuickBooks Online, you click on Apps. Now you're on the App Store, and you actually want to synchronize your data. What you're going to do is basically click on Try Free. And once you do that with our program, it's going to actually run through the process and start synchronizing all of your information over to a newly created Kickserv account that you don't have to do anything. You are just watching it work. You can see here and just kind of sit back, relax, play a game of Angry Birds if you want. It takes about a minute. And what it's going to do is basically build your whole account. It's going to say, here's your domain name. It's going to say, here's your username. It's going to bring over your customers as contacts. It's going to bring over your invoices. It's actually going to bring over one of the new things that we added is estimates. We wanted to make sure that they had something that was actionable right away that they could actually start getting to use our program with. So we bring over those estimates. We also added here at the hackathon to bring over your employees, so you can actually start adding people right away. So you'll see here in this account, they've got 31 opportunities, invoices. You can see from the management, your users, we brought over the users. And that's what we did at the hackathon.
So what makes this different than something that already exists to do these things? Like, what's different than Jobber or Service?
Yeah, so Jobber, you have Intuit Field Service Management. There's a lot of tools that are out there. One of the things that differentiates us, we've been actually around since 2006. We've been around a long time. We've got over 9,000 users in 9 countries. We have a simple program. A lot of the programs that are out there are pretty complicated. One of the things with our program is we keep it very, very simple, and we push people through a workflow that's different than other companies or other software programs where it basically says, here, you start a new estimate, and it goes you all the way through to a paid invoice. Very, very simple. This actually came from years of experience where running my own personal family business where we actually fine-tuned these processes and made this available for everybody.
So is there a mobile interface to this?
Absolutely. If you go back to so you'll see up there on our solution, we have a whole mobile. So if you're logging in with mobile, you're actually going to have a different experience.